video, I'm going to demonstrate very slow motion bind off, just a regular old bind off. And this is part of my slow motion series. If you'd like to see the other videos in this series, and we're going to keep adding new ones, just go ahead and click the little eye in the upper right hand corner and that'll take you to that playlist. I can also send you to my bind off video, my regular bind off video that I shot about 10 years ago, where I go slowly and explain what's happening. It's very different from a slow motion video, but I'll give you a link to that video here as well. But in this one, I'm going to bind off at regular speed, and my producer is going to slow things way, way down. It's a way that people who are super visual learners like to learn, and hopefully it'll help some people. So let's go ahead and slow motion bind off. Okay, that's regular bind off. If a pattern says to bind off and it doesn't specify anything else, any special way of binding off, this is how we do it, just for pretty much, this is pretty much used in most knitting, because most knitting doesn't need a stretchy bind off or anything. This is your answer. Anyway, good luck.